Hi everyone, welcome to the another session of social science. I am Deepa here with a new block, that is block 11, India's independence. Already in the previous class you learnt about coming of Gandhi, non-cooperation movement and civil disobedient movement, Dandi March. So these all you have learnt in the block 10. So Gandhi came. After coming of Gandhi, what all the changes took place in the INC, those all you have learnt. And also the way of protest, it became different. It became non-violence. ಅಂದರೆ ಶಾಂತಿಯುತವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಗಾಂಧಿ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ರು. So today in the block 11 you are going to learn India's independence. Finally, how the Indians got independence, freedom from the Britishers. So here Gandhi and the members of INC, that is Indian National Congress. So they believed in non-violence and also they were protesting against the British by the non-cooperation movement or non-cooperation and civil disobedience. Here non-cooperation means not cooperating with the law. Whatever Britishers were making the laws, Indians were not cooperating. Like that they were protesting. And also civil disobedient. Here disobedient means they were not following the laws, rules and regulation whatever Britishers were making. Like that they were protesting by non-violence. But here there were other type of one more group of people who were protesting against the British by the violence method. ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿಂಸಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡೋದು. Here those are called revolutionary fighters. They were using very strong method and they were using the no violence method. ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು, ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು, ಬಡಿಯೋದು, ಸೊ ಅಥವಾ ಬರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ವರ್ fighting or protesting against the British by violence method. Those were called revolutionary freedom fighters. Who are those revolutionary freedom fighters? Here are few names. Means in this lesson you are going to learn about a few people who were protested by revolutionary method. So firstly Bhagat Singh, how he was protesting. So here is a one incident of Bhagat Singh, that is he threw a bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly. Means Bhagat Singh threw the bomb on Central Legislative Assembly. So because of this he was hanged. Means Britishers, because he threw the bomb on the Legislative Assembly of Britishers, so that he hanged by the Britishers. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಗಲ್ಲು ಶಿಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಒಳಗಾದರು. ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗಲ್ಲು ಶಿಕ್ಷೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಯಾಕೆ? ಅವರು ಲೆಜಿಸ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ, ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಲೆಜಿಸ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಾಂಬ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನರಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಫೈಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಆಜಾದ್. He is also one of the revolutionary freedom fighter who fought against the British for the freedom. What he has done? So he had robbed a train. Chandrasekhar Azad robbed a train in 1931. The train was carrying the money of British government. So here Chandrasekhar Azad robbed ಅಂದರೆ ಕಳ್ತನ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಕದಿಯೋದು, ಸ್ಟೀಲಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಸಮ್ money from the train because the train was carrying the money for the British government that he has robbed in the 1931. And the police tried to shoot Chandrasekhar Azad, but he did not caught to the Britishers. But Chandrasekhar Azad himself, he has shooted and died because he did not want to caught by the British officers. So that himself he shooted and died. So he is also one of the revolutionary freedom fighter. One more freedom fighter, that is Preetilata Waddedar. Preetilata Waddedar, she joined a group of freedom fighters who were fighting against the British. She has joined that group, and these group of people means Preetilata Waddedar, she joined one freedom fighters group. That group in 1932 they burned British club in Kolkata. Preetilata and her team burned the British club in Kolkata. Because why they burned means, because in that club there was a signboard, means outside of that club there was a board was there. On that board they have written that dogs and Indians are not allowed, means dogs and Indians are not allowed to get inside. So that they got angry by reading that quote or lines on the signboard. So that these group of people burned down British club. That club they burned down, which is in Kolkata. But all these group of freedom fighters who burned that club, they caught in the fire. Even though Preetilata Waddedar, she herself by swallowing poison she died, because she also doesn't want to caught by the British. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವಳು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ಕೈಗೆ ಸಿಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಫೈರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಹಿಡಿಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಳೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಪಾಯ್ಸನನ್ನು ನುಂಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು herself she died by swallowing poison. So this is one of the revolutionary fighter, freedom fighter, that is Preetilata Waddedar. And last, Khudiram Bose. He also started to fight against the British. Khudiram Bose, he also started to fight against the British, and he started the freedom fight. He entered the freedom fight at the age of 13. Only he had the age 13 age. He entered or he started fight against British. But here, because he was fighting against the British, while killing the British officers, they had the order to kill British officers. While killing Khudiram Bose and his team, they had the order to kill British officers, but by mistakenly they killed 2 British ladies. So that even Khudiram Bose, he escaped from there, but Khudiram was later caught by the British and he also hanged. So these are the revolutionary freedom fighters who fought against the British. So this is about the Unit 1 revolutionary freedom fighters. So let's meet in the next session of social science, that is Unit 2. Let's meet in the next session. Thank you.